to Bag Talks by Anna. This is Anna Magkawas and welcome to another Louis Vuitton massive haul. So guys, we have brand new items dito sa aking right side and slightly used items dito sa aking left side. So all in all, we have 6 brand new bags and 5 slightly used Louis Vuitton bags. Another tululaway unboxing na naman tayo, guys. Kaya, para po sa mga gustong mag-order, you may message us in our Instagram and Facebook account at Luxonlineph. Prices will be posted in the description box below. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy watching. We have this Louis Vuitton Brittany bag. This is slightly used. Looks still good as brand new condition. No flaws. Even the corners. So no flaws at all. It has 4 metal feet. And let's check the interior of the bag. So it comes with this receipt. This was purchased last December 2017 and it has this long strap. This is a shoulder strap for this. And the interior has no flaws at all, no stain, and it has 2 cell phone pockets plus a zip interior in the middle here and a magnetic closure. Next we have this Louis Vuitton Normandy here. Actually, this is quite similar to the Brittany bag. So this one is in damier ebene and it has this lock and also the keys. So meron siyang heat stamp na LA. Condition of the bag is still good as new condition, also with 5 metal feet. Corners niya are all okay. Ayan. So no flaws, even the handle and the strap. So here. Then yung loob niya. There, malinis. So still comes with receipt and here and another 2 cell phone pockets, and this bag is made in France. The date code is here, MI0196. So this bag was manufactured year 2016. So the original price of this bag is 146,000 way back April 2016. So guys, you can grab this now at a very low price. You can check our description box for the prices. So next we have this Louis Vuitton Sienna in size in damier ebene. And this bag is still good as new condition. This is slightly used. So look, no flaws. The corners are still okay. There. And the handle. And the long strap. So this one is detachable. So here's the base, and let's check the interior of the bag. So still comes with receipt. It was purchased in Milan And this is made in France. So the interior is clean, no stains at all. Date code is here. This bag was manufactured year 2017. Guys, we have this Louis Vuitton twist bag. Ito yung nakita nyo sa aking OOTD in my Instagram and Facebook yesterday. Well, actually, hindi ko siya talaga ginamit. Ginamit ko lang siya pang post lang, pang picture taking lang. Yun. So, this is used. This is actually slightly used. So, here, ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. So, there. The corners are still okay. Meron lang siyang few scuff here. And ito, super small dito. And of course, may mga hairlines na yung kanyang twist lock. And the strap is still okay. So this is the interior of the bag. May mga konting dirt dito. Pero nawawala yan guys pag pinaspan nyo yan. Pwede siyang mawala. And the interior is still okay, no flaws. And it has this mirror. And the cards. There. So the date code is there inside the pocket. So this is manufactured year 2018. Actually, this was bought last year lang. And the original price of this bag is more than 200,000 pesos, guys. So, ganun siya kamahal sa brand new. But then again, you can grab this at a very low price in our shop. Parang ayoko siyang i-let go. Ayaw pumayag ni B eh. Di ba meron akong isang ganito, pero yung limited edition, color blue, na may mga patches. So gusto niya, kapag kukunin ko to, ili-let go ko yon. So kailangan ko mag-isip. Gusto mo to? O gusto niyo yun? So there we're finished with our slightly used Louis Vuitton bags. And nakita nyo naman guys, talagang kahit ako tumulo yung laway ko dun sa LV Twist. Nakakainis! Ang ganda kasi ng pagkapula niya. Kaya nakita nyo, diba, ginamit ko siya for OOTD. Pero talagang ang gamit ko na bag is yung ito talaga yung ginamit kong bag for today. So pang OOTD ko lang yung pula kanina. For picture purposes lang. Yan. So, ayun, nahihirapan na naman ako. Okay, so, moving on. Let's now proceed sa ating mga brand new items. We have a Louis Vuitton Kensington bag. So this bag is unused, good as brand new condition. Well, actually, it was a stock display in Louis Vuitton shop. So, as you can see, the plastic is still intact. So there, and it has no flaws at all. It has 4 metal feet. So the interior of the bag here, and this bag is made in France. And it comes with this extra shoulder strap and here. Also, the side of the bag has this button there. Okay? Nahihina kasi ako.
Ikaw muna,
Tapusin na natin to. Okay, so guys, eto na yung ating mga brand new Louis Vuitton items. And may nakita na naman tayo na bago sa paningin natin, guys. Especially the Louis Vuitton double V bag and the Palm Springs mini backpack. The limited edition Love Luck collection. Look, o diba? We have here the Louis Vuitton Croisette bag. Meron akong review nito, guys. I have a vlog about the comparison of these two bags. We have this Alma BB yung Damier Eben and the Louis Vuitton Croisette. So you can find it dito sa link above. And the Louis Vuitton double B bag. Ito super ganda. Grabe. Look. Diba? Tapos, ang maganda sa kanya, kaya siya tinawag na double D dahil dun sa flap niya. So, ayan. Pwede mo kasi siyang ilagay dito talaga. So, may magnet din dito sa likod. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang ganyan. Yan. Or, yun nga, yung kaninang ginawa natin para at least matakluban yun dito. So, ilalagay mo sa unahan yung flap na nasa likod. So, pwedeng ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda niya, oh. Ang mahal ng brand new price nito sa store. But here, actually, nakasale ito sa amin, guys. And also, we have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Alam niyo naman na ang istorya ni Metis. Sobrang haba ng pila. And also, the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. This is the Love Luck collection. Kaya meron siyang mga patches, iba-iba. So, meron susi, may luck, may flower, heart, yan. So, naka-distribute yan dito sa front and sa side ng bag. Sa likod, wala nang nakalagay. Also, this is rare, so wala kayong masyadong mabibilhan din ito sa mga Louis Vuitton shops. Kasi nga, limited edition siya. Guys! Gusto ko na siya i-movie. Okay, so dito na nagtatapos ang ating haul and I hope na-enjoy nyo ang ating video, guys. So, ito na sila. To order, just message us in our Instagram and Facebook account at Luxonlineph, or you may pick them in our shop in Ayala STALK, in Alabang, and in Market BGC. So guys, see you again next time and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!